Hello, my name is Brittany Hefner, and I will be talking about what are GMOs and how GMOs are used in the PowerPoint, the use of GMOs in animal feed. So what are GMOs? GMOs are genetically modified organisms. They can be any organisms such as animals, plants, single-celled life forms, bacteria, yeast, insects, and fish that have been artificially manipulated through genetic engineering and can be classified as GMOs. The reason farmers grow GMOs is for herbicides and insects resistance, weather control, and water portioning. The U.S. is the largest producer for GMO crops. Our population is growing, so GMOs allow for sustainability in our crop production. Our number one GMO crop is corn. It is also a number one component in animal feeds today. Corn has specific strands, such as sweet corn, comes in white, yellow, and bicolored, and it can be genetically modified to bring forth desired traits such as being resistant to pests, and in conclusion helps increase the yield of the crop. GMO products can be considered a hybrid cross. You take one strand of genetic material from one organism and insert it and genetically modify another completely different organism to give them that genetic material that helps them be sustainable. GMOs are untested, so we don't know if the GMOs will be able to sustain us for long or have negative effects towards us as we progress in our technology. So how are GMOs used? So our number one use for GMOs is food production to benefit from the most quality product that we can, because we are increasing our population. That means smaller farms, which means less food. But with GMOs, it can help with crop production. In addition to food, GMOs can be used for scientific research and pharmaceuticals. 1 billion crops have increased in global production. The GMO crops significantly reduce the use of agricultural land due to higher productivity. There are 357 million tons of corn, 180 million tons of soybeans, 25 million tons of cotton fiber, and 10 million tons of sugar beets. And this is all through GMOs. Farmers, when they are trying to create a new crop variety, the farmers are trying to genetically modify their crops and integrate new material to help them be resistant in extreme temperatures and let them last over a period of time. Thank you.